breathing practice to relax. Breathing exercises can help you release stress or even anxiety because they bring the mind to a more peaceful state. The best way to follow this breathing practice is by sitting comfortably with your spine straight and uplifted the whole time. Avoid slouching to maintain proper support. You can close your eyes or keep them open. Do whatever feels more natural and comfortable. To start, take a deep breath in. Fill your lungs with air until you reach the limit. Slowly breathe out, releasing all of the air. Control the inhale by counting down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. By counting while breathing, we leave no space for the mind to focus on anything else other than the breathing. Let's try 3 rounds. 1. Control the inhale by counting down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2. Inhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more. Inhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a deep breath in and out, going back to your natural breathing rhythm. Another technique that is very useful in case of stress is the Sat Nam breathing exercise. The breathing and the mantra Sat Nam work together to calm down the mind, and the mantra brings us in contact with our divine consciousness. You can use it to prepare for meditation or on its own to calm down your mind or release stress. It's a very simple exercise. You may find it easier to focus if you close your eyes. On the inhale, you will say in your mind, Sat. And on the exhale, you will say in your mind, Nam. Trying to make the in-breath as long as the out breath. Take a deep breath in and repeat Sat as the air comes into your body through your nose. Hold for a couple of seconds, and as you breathe out through your nose, repeat Nam. Let's do 5 rounds. If your mind gets distracted, do not worry. Just go back to the breathing and the mantra. 1. Breathe in, Sat. Pause. Breathe out, Nam. 2. Breathe in, Sat. Pause. Breathe out, Nam. 3. Breathe in, Sat. Pause. Breathe out, Nam. Keep repeating the mantra in your mind. 4. Breathe in. Pause. Breathe out. 5. Breathe in. Pause. Breathe out. Now go back to your normal breathing rhythm and enjoy the peace and calm that these exercises have given you. And enjoy the peace and calm